So how do I decide which printer to use? The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon or the Centauri Carbon 2? Generally speaking, the biggest differentiator is the Carbon will only do one filament spool at a time. You can print in multicolor, but you have to manually change everything over. The Centauri Carbon 2, you can load 4 different filaments in the canvas management system, and it will automatically swap them as needed. So that is the biggest differentiator between the two and decision maker. But the other thing, this being the newer, slightly more evolved machine, it has better lighting, it has better monitoring with the app. So it's easier for me to manage, especially if I'm away from home and I need to monitor a print. Then I'll definitely do it in the Centauri Carbon 2. The build plate, you can see 256, 256, 256. That's the same size as the build plate for the regular Centauri Carbon. I have a cold plate in there right now, but it's the same size. So build volume, they're the same. There's no difference. If you can't decide which one to get, look at, I've got a video showing you dimensions. The Centauri Carbon 2 with this big plastic part of the canvas system, it makes it taller to take up more space. So if you're space limited, maybe space limited and only going to use one color filament at a time, maybe you save a little bit of money and just go with the Centauri Carbon. If that little bit extra cost up front isn't a problem for you, and you have the space for the Centauri Carbon 2, it's proving to be slightly faster. It's more robustly built. Things like these screws that run the bed up and down are a little bit larger diameter in the Centauri Carbon 2. It seems to be a little bit more robust, and it has some evolution of some of the parts like the fan and the air filter in the back and the AMS system, and the spools are a better design to hold the spools. So if money's not a problem for you, go ahead with that Centauri Carbon 2, and I think you'll be happy. But you can still print a lot, and I do print a lot on the Centauri Carbon as well.